To connect your Realme GT 7 Pro with your PC or laptop, first you will need to have a cable that allows you to do so. And I have USB-C to USB end. We're going to connect the USB end to my laptop and then USB-C end to my phone. Okay, so now they are connected and you will see that your phone is charging, but the phone is not yet connected for the file transfer on our PC. We need to swipe down our finger to see Notifications tab, then click on the pop-up and here select File Transfer and Android Auto. Now after a second you will see your phone in Files Manager. You can click on it like that, and then you can move files either from your PC to your phone or vice versa from your phone to your PC. And that is basically everything.